Hello students, today we see the next topic in our chapter application of derivative. The topic is approximation. We will study about approximations. So first we see what is the approximation. If f of x is a differentiable function of x, then its derivative at x is equal to a is exists, and it is given by f dash of a is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of a plus h minus f of a divided by h. Now for sufficiently small h, we have f dash of a is approximately is equal to f of a plus h minus f of a upon h. Now transfer this h in LHS. So it goes to multiplication. So here we get now h into f dash of a is approximately is equal to f of a plus h minus f of a. Therefore, f of a plus h is approximately is equal to f of a plus h f dash of a. And this is the formula to find the approximate value of the function at x is equal to a plus h when f dash of a is exists. So students, to find the approximate value, we remember that formula. Now we solve some examples from our exercise 2.2. See the first example. Find the approximate value of square root 8.95. Here the function is square root. So in the solution, let f of x is equal to square root x. Call it as relation number 1. Now differentiate this with respect to x. We get f dash of x is equal to 1 upon 2 times root x. Call it as relation number 2. Now consider this value that we have to given. It is 8.95. Our aim to find the square root of 8.95. So consider this value 8.95. It can be written as 9 minus 0.05. That is 9 plus of minus 0.05. So let here a is 9 and h is minus 0.05. So for this a is equal to 9, from equation 1 and 2 we find f of a and f dash of a. So first from 1, f of a is equal to f of 9, it is equal to square root 9, which is equal to 3. Also from 2 we get f dash of a is equal to f dash of 9, it is equal to 1 upon 2 times square root 9. Now square root 9 is 3. So in the denominator now we get 2 into 3, it is equal to 1 upon 6. Now we get both the values f of a and f dash of a. So using approximation, we get, use here the formula f of a plus h is approximately is equal to f of a plus h into f dash of a. Substituting values of a and h, so we get f of 9 plus minus 0.05 is approximately is equal to f of 9 plus minus 0.05 into f dash of 9. Substituting the value, we get f of 8.95 is approximately is equal to 3 plus minus 0.05 into 1 upon 6. Dividing here by 6. So we get it is approximately is equal to 3 minus 0.083, because here 5, yes, 6 can't divide 5. So here we get 0, and now we get here 50. So 6 8s are 48. We remains with 2. It is 20 now. 6 3s are 18. So we remains always with 2. That means here 3 recurs. And so we write only the value as 0.0083. Now subtracting this, here we get 2.9917, and hence square root of 8.95 is equal to the value, the square root of 8.95, it is here 2.9917. 2.9917. This is value of square root 8.95. Now see the next example. Example number 2. Find the approximate value of 4.01 bracket cube. So let here f of x is x cube, call it as 1. Differentiate with respect to x, we get f dash of x is 3x square. Call it as relation 2. Now this 4.01 can be written as 4 plus 0.01. So let here a is equal to 4 and h is equal to 0.01. So for a is equal to 4, from 1, f of a is equal to f of 4, it is 4 cube, means 64. Also from 2, we get f dash of a means f dash of 4, it is 3 into 4 square. 4 square is 16, so 3 into 16 is 48. Now we get both the values. So now using approximation, we have f of a plus h is approximately is equal to f of a plus h into f dash of a. Substituting corresponding values for a and h, we get f of 4 plus 0.01 approximately is equal to f of 4 plus 0.01 into f dash of 4. Substitute these both the values here, we get it is approximately is equal to 64 plus 0.01 into 48. Now 0.01 into 48, it is 0.48. So we get f of 4.01 is approximately is equal to 64 plus 0.48, it is equal to 64.48. And thus we get 4.01 bracket cube is approximately is equal to 64.48. Now see third example. Find the approximate value of cos of 60 degree 30 minute given that 1 degree is equal to 0.0175 radian into square and root 3 is equal to 1.732. Now let here f of x is cos x, we call it as relation 1. Differentiate with respect to x, we get f dash of x is minus sin x. Now 60 degree 30 minute can be written as 60 degree plus 30 minute. And so here we consider here it is 60 degree plus 1 degree upon 2. 30 minute is 1 degree upon 2. So it is 60 degrees pi by 3 plus 0.0175 upon 2 is equal to pi by 3 plus 0.00875. Now here a is equal to pi by 3 and h is equal to 0.00875. So from 1, f of a is equal to f of pi by 3, it is cos pi by 3, it is half. Pi by 3 means 60 degree and cos 60 is half, it is equal to 0.5. Also from the relation number 2, we get value for f dash of a, it is f dash of pi by 3. It is equal to minus sin pi by 3, it is minus root 3 by 2. It is equal to minus 1.732 upon 2. We have to give a value of root 3. It is equal to dividing by 2, we get it is minus 0.866. We have using approximation f of a plus h is approximately is equal to f of a plus h into f dash of a. Substituting here values, we get f of pi by 3 plus 0.00875 radian. It is approximately is equal to f of pi by 3 plus 0.00875 into f dash of pi by 3. Put the corresponding values, it is approximately is equal to 0.5 plus 0.00875 multiplied by minus 0.866. Taking this product, because of this negative sign, we get here minus. So it is approximately is equal to 0.5 minus 0.0075775. Now take the subtraction, it is approximately is equal to 0.4924225. Now we write here the answer up to 4 decimal points. So it is approximately is equal to 0.4924. And hence here we get cos of 60 degree 30 minute is approximately is equal to 0.4924. Now example number 4. Find the approximate value of tan inverse of 0.999. So let here f of x is equal to tan inverse of x. Call it as relation 1. Differentiate with respect to x, we get f dash of x is equal to 1 upon 1 plus x square, derivative of tan inverse x. Call it as relation 2. Now this 0.999 can be written as 1 minus 0.001. So we rewrite it as 1 plus minus 0.001. So take here a as 1 and h as minus 0.001. So from 1, f of a is equal to f of 1, it is tan inverse 1, it is equal to pi by 4. Put here value of pi as 3.142 divided by this 4. Dividing by 4, we get 0.7855. Also, from 2, f dash of a is equal to f dash of 1, it is 1 upon 1 square. 1 upon 1 plus 1 square, it is equal to 1 upon 2, which is equal to 0.5. So, using approximation, we get f of a plus h is approximately is equal to f of a plus h into f dash of a. Put the corresponding values. We get f of 1 plus minus 0.001 is approximately is equal to f of 1 plus minus 0.001 into f dash of 1. So it is f of 0.999 approximately is equal to 0.7855 plus 0.001 multiplied by 0.5. Take this product. It is approximately is equal to 7855 minus 0.0005. Because 1 into 5 is 5, but here is decimal point after 3 places and here 1 place. So here we put decimal point after here 4 places. So it is approximately is equal to, taking the subtraction, 0.7850. And therefore we get value of tan inverse of 0.999 is 0.7850. Now see example 5. Find the approximate value of 3 raised to 2.01 given that log 3 is equal to 1.0986. Now solution, let f of x is equal to 3 raised to x. Call it as 1. Relation number 1. So differentiate with respect to x. We get f dash of x is 3 raised to x into log a. Log a means log 3. Here a is 3. Because derivative of a raised to x is a raised to x into log a. Here a is 3. So we get f dash of x is 3 raised to x into log 3. Call it as relation 2. Now consider this raised to power. It is 2.01. This 2.01 can be written as 2 plus 0.01. So take here a as 2 and h as 0.01. So from 1, f of a is equal to f of 2, it is equal to 3 raised to 2 means 3 square, it is equal to 9. And from 2, if we put here value of x as 2, we get f dash of a is equal to f dash of 2. It is equal to 3 square into log 3. It is equal to 9 log 3. Now we get both the values. So using the approximation, we have f of a plus h approximately is equal to f of a plus h into f dash of a. Put values of a and h. We get f of 2 plus 0.01 approximately is equal to f of 2 plus 0.01 into f dash of 2. So f of 2.01 is approximately is equal to 9 plus 0.01 into 9 log 3. It is approximately is equal to 9 plus 0.09 into 1.0986. We have to give one value of log 3. We put that value here. It is approximately is equal to 9 plus 0.098874. We take this product here, multiplying by 9. So after how many places? Here 4 plus 2 means after 6 places we get here the decimal point. And it is approximately is equal to 9.098874. So it is approximately is equal to 9.09887. Okay. And hence here 3 raised to 2.01 approximately is equal to 9.09887. Now see example number 6. Find the approximate value of log of 1016 means 1016 to the base 10 given that log e to the base 10 is equal to 0.4343. Now here we have to find log of this term. So take the function as log x to the base 10. So let f of x is equal to log x to the base 10. Now we convert this log x to the base 10 in terms of log to the base e. It is log x to the base e divided by log 10 to the base e. Now we know one formula. That formula is log m to the base a is equal to 1 upon log a to the base m. Means when we interchange between the number and base, it goes or it becomes the reciprocal. Means here if we interchange between this e and 10, then 1 upon log 10 to the base e becomes log e to the base 10. And so here we get its value, means value of log x to the base 10 as log e to the base 10 multiplied by log x. Okay. Now see the next step. If we put here value of log e to the base 10 that given to you, it is equal to 0.4343 log x to the base e. We call this as relation 1. Now differentiate this with respect to x. We know derivative of log x is 1 upon x, and therefore we get f dash of x is 0.4340 upon x. We call it as relation number 2. Now consider the value 1016. It can be written as 1000 plus 16. So take here a as 1000 and h as 16. So from 1, f of a is equal to f of 1000. It is equal to, we put here the value now. Log 1000 to the base 10. 1000 means 10 cube. So it is log 10 cube to the base 10. Now use here logarithmic rule for indices. It is log m raised to n is equal to n log m. So its value is 3 log 10 to the base 10. And value of log a to the base a is 1. So its value is here 3 into 1 is 3. Also from 2 we get f dash of a is equal to f dash of 1000 is equal to 0.4343 divided by 1000. So it is equal to 0.0004343. Now we get both the values f of a and f dash of a. So we use here now approximation. So using approximation we get f of a plus h approximately is equal to f of a plus h f dash of a. It is f of 1000 plus 16 approximately is equal to f of 1000 plus 16 multiplied by f dash of 1000. So f of 1016 approximately is equal to 3 plus 16 multiplied by 0.0004343. Multiplying by 16, which is approximately is equal to 3 plus 0.0069488. So adding this, it is approximately is equal to 3.0069488. It is approximately is equal to 3.006949. Since this last digit is greater than 5, so this 8 becomes 9. And hence, log of 1016 to the base 10 is approximately is equal to 3.006949. These are now here. Next example. Example number 7. Make here correction. Here is example number 7. Find the approximate value of f of x is equal to x cube minus 3x plus 5 at x is equal to 1.99. So here we have to given the function. So given f of x is equal to x cube minus 3x plus 5, call it as 1. Differentiate with respect to x, we get f dash of x is equal to 3x square minus 3, call it as relation 2. Now this 1.99 can be written as 2 plus minus 0.01. So let here a is 2 and h is minus 0.01. So from 1, f of a is equal to f of 2, it is 2 cube minus 3 into 2 plus 5. Means it is 8 minus 6 plus 5. 8 minus 6 is 2. 2 plus 5, 7. Now from 2, f dash of a is equal to f dash of 2. It is equal to 3 into 2 square minus 3. 2 square is 4. 4 into 3 is 12. 12 minus 3, 9. Now we get both the values. So we have, using approximation, f of a plus h approximately is equal to f of a plus h into f dash of a. So f of 2 minus 0.01 approximately is equal to f of 2 plus minus 0.01 into f dash of 2. So f of 1.99 approximately is equal to 7 minus 0.01 multiplied by 9 is equal to 7 minus 0.09. Now 7 minus 0.09 is 6.91. So it is approximately is equal to 6.91, and hence we get f of 1.99 approximately is equal to 6.91. These are some examples based on approximation. So see you in next lecture. Thank you.